Medicine ball is a hot tea drink first popularized at Starbucks. A lot of people enjoy it when they're starting to feel under the weather because it's rich in tea, lemon juice, honey, all those things that are gonna soothe a sore throat and help you feel better. Here's how I make it. I'm going to be using Teavana Jade Citrus Mint tea, as well as Peach Tranquility tea. However, you can just as easily substitute your own teas as long as you include a green tea, a fruity tea, and a mint. I'm gonna fill my cup up with hot water and let this steep for 4 minutes. Once I remove the tea bags, I add honey and lemon juice and stir it up. And that's all there is to it. I hope you feel better soon.